Hello, good morning everybody, to the respectable judges and chief justices here. My name is Neelu Chaudhari. I've been in England for 56 years. I'm from the family of Dr. Bhagwan Das, who was the foreign minister for India and Pakistan during the partition, and the justice system headquarters was Lahore. And I've been fighting the justice system for 25 years now. It's a very sad story of my baby niece. That her body is in Delhi now for 17 years. It was in a freezer in England for 7 years without justice, and the 18th Law Commission report 206 is about her case. And so what I've done is research on why the high death rates of foreign Indians abroad, and that report mandates the investigation of deaths abroad, and irrespective of where the evidence is found. So that is a major case, but my research led me to the financial system, why the deaths were occurring, because the birth trust funds were deposited in the central banks. The central banks did not transfer our assets when they moved us out of the country. They used laws that if you leave your country for 7 years, you lose your rights. So the legislations, and they replaced the criminal justice system. Various legislation, civil laws have replaced the criminal law in this country. So when you have a speeding fine, it's a civil matter. They turn it into a crime, they send you a summons from the magistrate's court, and they prosecute you. So I've now come to the conclusion that if we can fix the justice system, if the judiciary can go above the banks and the governments. So I have been in contact with His Majesty Sri Hartono of Indonesia. He is the President of the United Nations, and I have been working with his team to reset this was meant to be in 2013, and the Swissindo Prosperity Program was supposed to happen at the G8 in 2013, but it did not, and now the BRICS nations are trying to go gold, which means each one of us will carry our birth prosperity throughout life. So my website is https://unosim.webnode.co.uk. That's webnode.co.uk. So I'm just an individual who's done a lot of research. I come from a family of 300 years of judiciary in India, top level. My dad was a judge in Jalandhar High Court with Prakash Chaudhary. He studied at Delhi. So I want people to assist me in setting up the World Peace Court in Indonesia, CIREBON, where the President of the United Nations is based. And he requires the judiciary of the whole world to set up these peace courts in every continent, so that we can have the judiciary at the top, then the governments, then the banks, not the banks above the governments and the judiciary. Thank you very much.